everyone! So today magluluto ako ng what do you call that? Hainanese chicken or chicken rice. Chicken rice na lang. Para mas basta chicken rice, my own version. I mean, not my own version. It's internet version. Charot. Iluluto ko muna yung chicken. So, ito yung kakailanganin ko. Ginger, green onions, and bawang. And so, mag-boil na nga ako ng tubig. And then, ilagay ko yung aromatics. Like that. Meron pala akong chicken fat na tinira or sinave para mamaya. Para pag niluto natin yung kanin. Maglalagay din pala ako ng chicken nor cubes at asin. Maglalagay din pala ako ng soy sauce. Ilalagay ko na yung chicken. Yan. And then, takpan ko lang siya. Hindi fully takip, parang half takip. Charot. Ano yun? Ganyan. Lagyan natin ng boiling oil mamaya.
Hi, it's me and I'm
for ating sauce. And I'm gonna use this for the rice. Meron akong chicken fats here na sineparate kanina. Konti lang siya. Pero okay lang. Ipapalabas ko muna yung oil niya. Tapos ilagay ko sa rice mamaya. Konti lang talaga siya. Kaya sana lumabas ang oil. So, may nakuha namang oil. So, ito na nga guys, yung kanin. I already washed it. So, ilalagay ko lang yung ginger. Tapos ito, green onions, and then garlic. Tapos, ilagay din natin yung chicken oil kanina. Yan, iwan na natin yun. Chicken oil lang ilagay natin. So, yeah. Ito, chicken soup. Scoop natin. Oh, shoes. And hanguin ko na rin mama yung chicken kasi luto na. I think konti lang para hindi masyadong mabasa-basa yung kanin mamaya. I think tama na to. Okay, one more. Yan. And then, nilagay ko na siya sa rice cooker. So, ito na nga yung ginger and sesame oil. At saka, asin. Lagyan natin siya ng asin. And, let's cut now. Oh, init. Hot. It's hot. It's hot. And how to cut ba? Do you know how to cut? Ooh, I don't know if I'm cutting the right way, but this is how I know. There you go. Wala ko na. Oh, it's hot. Very soft ang chicken. Yan. Ito na yung chicken natin. So, this is my rice now. I think it went well naman. Okay naman yata. Yes. Ipe-plating ko na lang siya. So, tinanggal ko na yung mga aromatics na nilagay. The rice. And some chicken. Oh. Chicken. Supposed to be ano eh. Ano na ngayon? Bok choy. Pero nakalimutan kong bumili ng bok choy kanina nung nagpunta ako sa supermarket. So, I think okay na to, cucumber. I don't know kung ano magiging sauce niya. But for me, ang aking sauce, ito yung magiging sauce ko. This is going to be my sauce for my chicken. Parang gusto kong lagyan. Kaya lang, ayaw niya ng ano eh. Ayaw niya ng ganito. Siguro yung oil lang siguro. And then siguro, bigyan ko siya ng soup. Yung pinaglutuan ko kanina ng chicken. She'll like that. I'll add more salt. The more salt, the better. Sarap ng sausawan, no? Sarap niya. Siguro lagyan ko lang siya ng olive oil man to. Kaya siguro pwede lang. Ganun. Kasi olive oil naman siya. So yeah, that's going to be my daughter's dinner. This is me. There you go. This is my chicken. There you go, the sauce. Sarap ng sauce, promise. And yung chicken malambot. Yummy. I super love it. Sayang walang bok choy. I love pa naman yung bok choy. So this is gonna be mine. There you go. So that's it. That's so simple. Simple dinner and easy to make. Kaysa bumili sa labas. Mahal din kayo mga Hainanese chicken. Mga chicken rice. So that's it. Kain na kami.
So long ago. This actually looks yummy. Can I have it? Can I have it?
Yeah.
Can I have it?
Eat it. Try it. Why the cucumber? Don't pack your mouth.
Oh.
Slow down because it's not hot anymore.
That's good.
Good.
Whoa.
It's just like the one we're eating at the restaurant.
Yeah, it is. This doesn't look like my normal rice.
Because it was cooked with the... It's part of the chicken rice.
Wait, I need to try that chicken.
The chicken's supposed to have a sauce.
Did you order this?
No.
It seems like you ordered this.
I ordered it from Mommy's restaurant. You're here.
From Mommy's restaurant.
Yeah, from Mommy's restaurant.
Okay, I'm actually being for you. We need to open. This tastes exactly like the one in the restaurant, but better.
Better.
Is that the sauce?
There's a lot of sauce, but that's the only thing I can do today because we don't have the other sauce.
Let's try.
I'll take you to a restaurant and eat like that. Chicken rice or Hainanese chicken. It's the same what you're eating
That's
outside.
Really good.
Same as what you're eating outside, right?
Can you make this for my lunch tomorrow? And the next day? And the day after that?
I don't think so. We can only have it for dinner. It's not for packing. We can only eat here.
Best dinner this week.
Best dinner this week.
Is it supposed to go on the rice?
It's up to you. You can do whatever you want. You can put on your rice or you can
Is
just...
this a Singaporean dish?
Yes.
Wow. Isn't Singapore where you worked for like 7 years?
Yeah. Yummy. It's a good, what do you call that? Is nay or what do you call that?
Yay or nay?
Yay or nay?
Yay.
Yay.